Welcome to this 5-minute meditation for calming anxiety. Let's begin by finding a position that's comfortable with a straight back. Rest your hands gently on your lap. Start by taking a nice deep breath, just breathing deeply all the way down into the belly. And gently exhaling. Close your eyes for a deeper experience. Allow the breath to calm and relax you. As you take another deep breath, imagine as you inhale that the breath is gathering up any excess energy. And as you exhale, imagine that all of this excess energy is being gently released. Keep breathing deeply in and out, inhaling clean, fresh energy, and exhaling out the old, stale energy. Now on the next breath, imagine the breath is a beautiful shade of white as you inhale. Imagine that the breath is collecting toxins and stress. And imagine the exhale is removing toxins and stress from every cell in the body. You might even notice the color of the breath changing from a beautiful bright white on the inhale to a muddy color like gray or brown on the exhale. Just keep breathing in the beautiful white light and breathing out the old, stale energy. Do this for a while longer. You should eventually get to the point where the color of the breath on the inhale is the same color as the exhale. You are breathing in positive energy and breathing out old negative energy. Just continue that process for a little longer, breathing in new clean energy and breathing out old stale energy. At the tip of your nose, feel the sensation of cool air entering the nostrils, and follow the air as it moves into the lungs, nourishing your entire body. Each time a thought or emotion arises, just acknowledge it and allow it to pass. Inhaling the feeling of calm relaxation and exhaling out any remaining stress or tension you may be holding on to. It doesn't matter how many times your attention drifts. Just keep refocusing your energy on the breath each time your mind wanders off. And as our practice finishes, bring your attention back to the room and notice how your mind and body feel. Gently open the eyes. Welcome back.